bird flight patterns and music. In this education concert video, we explore 5 flight patterns used by various bird species and hear classical music that moves with the same rhythmic and melodic motion as each flight pattern. Featuring performances by the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra, the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra Education Trio, with special guests Chavi Bo, photographer for the Ornithographies project.
It's taking many pictures per second and stitch all that frames together into a single one. So that way you could see clearly many seconds in a single image.
Professor David Lentink from Stanford University's Bird Flight Robotics Lab. Heloise de Grugier, recorder soloist, performing the world premiere of Jamie Allen's Nightingale Concerto. Sam Claggett and special guest from the Buttonwood Park Zoo. The musicians' performances are accompanied by unique screen animations that illustrate the connection between the musical motion and the flying motion of each bird. Coming this March, don't miss an opportunity to bring bird flight patterns and music to your school or homeschool. The program includes access to unlimited concert video playback and the Bird Flight Pattern Music and Science Teacher's Guide and Curriculum.